Cancel an order on Temu. Hey everyone, all good? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you step by step how to cancel an order if you've changed your mind. If you like this type of content, we have other related videos on the channel. Subscribe and like. I'm always here with more videos to help you guys out. So let's get started. The process is quick and easy. I'm already logged into the Temu website. Click on Orders and Accounts at the top of the page. In the Orders and Accounts section, click on your orders. Here you can see the status of your orders: processing, shipped, delivered, and returns. Since we haven't placed the order yet, we'll cancel it. It appears in all orders. In the order details, you have the option to change the payment method. So if you selected the wrong payment method, you can change it here. If you want to buy the item but change the payment method, you can click here to change it without canceling. You can also check the barcode, change the address if it's wrong, all without canceling the order. But if you've really decided to cancel the order, just click this option. It explains my order will be processed in 24 hours and asks if I'm sure. You can keep clicking this orange button or click Cancel and choose a reason. Explain here it was a wrong order, not this item. I'll reorder. Click Send and Done. Order cancelled successfully. I've put it in the comments below. Please subscribe for more tutorials. I'll wrap up here. Take care and God bless.